Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering our weekly market outlook for a high volatility week dominated by the Fed. Big volatility is expected on Wednesday. Here is the calendar. Tuesday, ADP jobless claims and JLTS report. Wednesday, the main event, the Fed rate decision, FOMC dot plot, and Powell press conference. Friday, the Nasdaq 100 rebalance. Now for the market context. Global stocks are wavering as traders are growing anxious about the pace of easing by the Federal Reserve beyond this week's near-certain interest rate cut. The Fed is broadly expected to deliver a 25 basis point rate cut on Wednesday, with the probability around 85 to 87%. However, the market is bracing for a hawkish cut, where the Fed may signal a slower pace of easing ahead, causing divisions among officials due to still high inflation and the recent government shutdown. On the crypto side, Bitcoin is modestly lower, trading around $90,500 after sliding from October's 126K record amid tariff shocks and volatility. Reuters notes that 2025 could become BTC's first down year since 2022, as its correlation with equities tightens and demand proves tepid versus stocks. This divergence in risk on appetite is crucial to watch. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.